Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Bhooki. In today's pattern and sewing tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful French scarf. It's very versatile and easy to make even for beginners. As long as you can sew straight lines, you should be just fine. So without wasting your time, let's get to it. I'm going to be using the following tools: an African print, also known as Ankara, a paper scissors, a fabric scissors, a marker pen, a tape measure, and some pattern paper. I also used a straight ruler, but I forgot to add it. For the body of the scarf, I'm going to draw a vertical line at the edge of the pattern paper measuring 28 centimeters. Next, I'm going to draw a horizontal line perpendicular to the first one, measuring 25 centimeters. Next, I'm going to draw a vertical line at the end of the lower line, measuring 15 centimeters. Next, at the top of the vertical line, I'm going to draw a horizontal line across, measuring 70 centimeters. This is going to be the strap of the French scarf. Once I do this, I'm going to label the top. For the width of the strap, I'm going to measure 5 centimeters down, just like so. Going back to the body of the scarf, at the middle, I'm going to measure 15 centimeters vertically and then join it to the top of the line. Next, I'm going to close the strap by measuring 5 centimeters and drawing a straight line just like so. To carve out the strap, I'm going to use my pattern master to connect the end of the strap to the main body, just like so. To create an opening for the strap, I'm going to measure 5 centimeters at the top and at the bottom, and then square it out. Once I'm done, the French scarf pattern is complete and ready for cutting. Just so you know, you can use any measurement you want or even add sewing allowance. So for the fold that we created, this is what it's going to look like. We're just going to flip it over and create an opening. To sew the French scarf, I'm going to be using my African print, but ideally I should be using silk, but I don't have that. I'm going to place the pattern on my African print, right sides facing each other. Then I'm going to secure it with some pins and then cut it out. Once I'm done, this is what I have: 2 pattern pieces. Next, I'm going to sew a 1 centimeter seam allowance all through and leaving an opening at the curved part so I can turn the fabric inside out. Once I'm done, I'm going to trim off the sharp edges, turn the fabric inside out, give it a good press, and then close the opening with a top stitch. Next, I'm going to create the opening for the scarf by flipping the top over and stitching it, just like so. Now we're done, and this is the final product. It's so easy, and like I said, it's very beginner friendly. These are one of the 2 ways you can wear this scarf. You can play around with it and find other ways to wear it. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and please do not forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. If you have any questions, please put them down in the comment section below, and I'll try and get back to you as soon as I can. Until next time, my loves, have a good morning, afternoon, or night. Bye.